I'm super excited to show you guys our new project car. But first, thank you guys all so much for 10,000 subscribers. Never thought the channel would grow like this, especially from where we started. We've come a long way, and now in partnership with our friends at White Rock Dodge, we have a very, very fun project that we're about to get into. So without any further ado, guys, let's just get right to it. So here it is, a 2015 Challenger Hellcat in billet silver with the satin black hood. But this isn't just any regular Hellcat. The first thing that you notice once you pop this hood here is this large 4.5 liter Whipple supercharger. It also has an alky control methanol injection kit, ID 1300 injectors. You've got Kooks long tube headers, catless mid pipes, an aluminum drive shaft. This car is all set up, and we're going to take it racing, obviously, but over the course of this year, we're going to refine what we've got currently, and then over the winter, we'll probably build a 426 stroker because that 4.5 liter Whipple can feed a lot of cubic inches. So this car has already dynoed 931 horsepower to the rear wheels. And the interior of this car is in excellent shape as well. It's only got 33,000 kilometers or a touch under 21,000 miles on it. And you've got the full sepia interior here, full leather, heated and cooled seats. Everything works. Just a very nice, comfortable car, as Challengers are. The only other thing that's different in here is it's got this alky control box that I will have to find another way to remount. That said, I think there's a lot of refinements that can be made as the car currently sits. So it was tuned by a local guy, actually a really good guy. I've known him for a long time, but he does mostly LS stuff. And since the Hemis are super tricky to tune, I'm thinking maybe we'll get a experienced Hemi tuner to look at the logs, look at the current tune, and see if we can refine it a little bit. This car's also already been 989 at 142 in the quarter. I think it's still got some left in it there as well. It did come with a set of slicks, skinnies, and 4-piston calipers for the front to get the skinnies up front as well. So we're gonna have a lot of fun with this car, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.